Here are some of Rene Guénon's ideas that you absolutely must know. Number one, traditionalism. Rene Guénon believed that the traditions that have come down to us are actually revealed truth. Islam is a tradition that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed, and it came down to us in a complete perfect form. And we are preserving a civilization that God has given us. It's not a human construct. Therefore, modernity is not something new. Modernity is the forgetfulness of something real. Number two, the critique of modernity. Rene Guénon argued that modern civilization is anti-metaphysical. It's against the big picture. It's quantitative rather than qualitative. It's focused on numbers rather than on meaning. It seeks progress in material terms, and it's totally cut off from Allah. Modernity is not a higher stage of development. It's degeneracy, according to Guénon. In the reign of quantity, Guénon explained how reality is actually hierarchical, and our obsession with being able to measure things has made us blind to the meanings behind them. And so the modern world has embraced scientism as a religion because science allows you to measure and observe, but it's forgotten the reality of meanings and therefore of things like also literature, right, and the arts. Number three, sacred symbolism. Symbolism operates across traditions, and so it has the same meaning for all human beings. Things like water and fire and air and the cross and all of these things and trinities, they have the same meaning in all sacred traditions. They are above the intellect. They come from a higher realm. And so losing the science of symbolism is losing the ability to penetrate beyond form. For example, the cross is the meeting of the vertical plane with the horizontal. It's the meeting of heaven and earth. It's the meeting of the Creator with his creation. The cross represents that focal point at which we meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not the Christian cross as such. Number four, intellect versus reason. Modern philosophy is obsessed with reason and rationality and what the mind can comprehend. The intellect for Guénon is something higher that allows you into metaphysical truth, and so it's like the spirit. For Guénon, the modern trends in philosophy have lost any emphasis truth and into reaching these higher realities like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like the malakut and those levels of existence. And so they now are focused on petty arguments on a level where they're playing with words. If you look at modern philosophy, it's just a mess. Continued in part 2.